Hello children, good morning. How you all? I hope all are too good. Welcome back to our English classes. Today we are going to our first chapter, The House with the Golden Windows. And dear children, are you done with your homework or not? Okay, good. And dear parents, encourage your children to listen the class. And dear children, today we have to learn the first of the lesson because it's a big lesson. So tomorrow we have to learn second part. Okay. The house with the golden windows. Long, long ago, in a village, Scotland, a little boy named Steve lived on a farm, and every day after school and during the weekends, Steve helped his father in the field and took care of the farm animals. And but at the end of each day, when the work was done and the sun began to go down, there came an hour which was all his own. When this time came, Steve would often stroll. What does it mean by stroll? Walk in a slow, relaxed manner, especially for pleasure. Okay? Walk in slow. Stroll means walk in stroll. To the top of the hill near his house and look across at another hill long way. And there this far of hills stood a house with windows shining like gold. Okay, as the sun went down, he would sit on the hill watching his house. And one Saturday, Steve's father told him, you are earned a holiday. Take a day off today. I had been searching for and tried to learn something good. Steve has delighted, and he thanked his father and then started off for the house with the golden windows. For a long time, Steve came a big hill. At the top of the house had been searching for. Steve hurried to it, but his disappointment. It did not have golden windows. A woman came to the door to Steve's surprise. It was a Mr. Campbell, the friend of his mother. Hello, Steve, she exclaimed. How nice to you, her. Did your mother send you for something? And she asked Steve very kindly. And then, hello, he says, hello, Mr. Campbell. I came for something else at the end of every day. I see your golden windows from the top of the hill near the farm. Steve explained, and now I have come here to see them, but I find that they are only glass. Mr. Campbell moved her head from side to side and laughed. We are poor farming people, she said, and I don't think there will ever be any gold on our windows. Anyways, glass is better than gold to see though. And dear children, learn the lesson. And yesterday we have to learn second part. Okay. Thank you.